If you want to customize the lock screen on POCO M8 Pro, first we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we can scroll down and then look for Personalization. Once you go over here, you should be able to find the lock screen in this place, so you can just tap on it. And the first thing that you can do is you can find a bunch of different presets. So if you scroll down, as you can see, we have different presets that we can start using, and of course you can personalize them as well. As you can see, we have the scenery section, and these presets also have different clock faces, so you might be interested in selecting one of these presets first and then customizing them. If you choose any of them, or if you decide to use them, you can just simply use this customize button here at the bottom of the screen. But let's stick with the standard lock screen in this case. So what you can do is you can, for example, tap on this section where we have the date and the time. It's going to be split. Now at the top we have the information about our career or operator, at least by default, but we can change to anything else that is listed in this menu. We can also tap on the clock again, and for example, in this specific case, in the case of this this lock screen, we can choose a different font. You can also adjust the content that is visible over here. We have 3 lines. As you can see, in the first line we have the full time. We can also see the date on the second line, and there's like missing temperature information on the third one. And all of this can be actually adjusted. So as you can see, we have 3 options in here. So you can decide in which line what should be indicated, or what should be actually placed. And there's also the signature, so you can tap on this section and you can write anything in here, and it's going to be visible on the lock screen. Now, in addition to that, at the bottom we can also find wallpaper effects. There's also the font effects option, which allows you to change the color that is used on the lock screen. I mean, for the text, of course. You can also switch to secondary in order to apply 2 colors instead of just 1. And in some other cases, there's also the depth option, which is available if there is a subject or object going onto the clock, if it's detected by the phone. You can of course zoom in and zoom out on the wallpaper by using the pinching gesture, and you can of course move it around as well. And once you are done with the customization, you can just simply tap on apply in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. In case you made changes to the wallpaper, you can of course apply these changes to both the lock screen and the home screen. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.